Let's be honest, living in an apartment is easy living. You've got no maintenance fees, you've got a pool, you can do what you want to do. But you're ready for your own space and freedom to do what you want to do. Let me show you how. So the real reason why you would like to leave the apartment complex and move into a home, are you sick of not being able to find a place to park when you come home late at night? Or the noise from the neighbors, or trash outside their door? All the many things that can inconvenience you about living in an apartment complex. Sometimes the location is great, but that doesn't mean that that's where you want to be. So building your checklist to be ready to buy. The first thing we need to do is you need to call me so we can start the process. Number two, we need to get you pre-approved. We need to know what you can afford monthly. We need to check your debt to income, and we need to make sure that we know what you can buy, because showing you a home that you can't afford, that's no fun. So let's start with our checklist and get that together first. We need to set real expectations about what we're going to be doing for your first home. And what we need to be looking for is location. We want to be looking for safety, close proximity to your work, and then also to your personal social life. But what's most important is this is not your forever home. This is an investment in you. This is going to be an asset that you're going to take with you to your 401k for your retirement. So we're not going to get everything that's on your wish list, but we will get everything that's on the must-haves. So we're going to make an offer that's going to win. What we're going to do is we're going to take advantage of incentives. We're also going to let the market work to our advantage. We're not going to make an offer that's too low, because that's disrespectful and they're not even going to look at our offer. What we will do is we'll do market research to know exactly what the home is valued at. We'll also see if we can get closing cost assistance, because that's usually more important than asking them to lower the price of the home. So that'll help with our closing cost down payment, and that's what's going to win the deal. So the home that you really want, we're going to get. Once we found the home, they've accepted the offer, we're going to go through inspections to make sure that there's nothing that we're not aware of can come and bite us later that's going to cost us extra money. So we're going to take care of that. Then we're going to go to closing, and we're going to sign on the dotted line, and you're going to buy a home. You'll know when your first monthly payment's going to start, and you'll take care of that. But what's most important is that you're taking advantage of your money and you're making it work for you instead of letting your money work for someone else by paying rent. Call me. Let's talk about the steps to get you where you want to go. Don't listen to somebody who's never bought a home or bought a home 30 years ago. Things have changed. Money has changed. Lending has changed. But let's take advantage of what you do, which is work hard and let your money work for you. As always, like and subscribe, drop a comment, and let's start a conversation, and let's get you into your first home.